Hi guys, Stephen Lackard here. Hey, I wanted to show you a new little old-fashioned coil tester I just picked up. This is a Somco, S-O-M-C-O tester, and it's a hand crank. It's got a little hand crank that operates a set of points, and you connect up to a coil, and it can be used to test it on a car or test the coil outside the car, like I'm doing here. Uh, it uses what looks to be like a Ford Model A condenser, or at least one very similar to that period. And it has an adjustable point gap here for the spark. It's a spark gap. And there's a little scale on the side of this. And you can't see it here, but there's a little scale and it adjusts the gap down inside this insulated tunnel here. So, and the points, got a set of points here, and it's operated by a hand crank ratchet. So I'll just crank this around and you'll see both the point spark and the spark gap here. So let me connect it up and I'll show you what it does. So you can see the spark at the spark gap, which is the high tension spark, about 20 to 30,000 volts, and then the point gap spark down here, which is just the 6 volt. But and you can also, by disconnecting by pressing on this knob here, it disconnects the condenser on the tester, and if you have it hooked up to the car, it will test the condenser in the car. When you release this little button, it puts this condenser in line with the circuit, and that way you can tell if it doesn't spark when you're using the condenser in the car, and you use this one and it does spark, then that tells you the condenser in the car is bad. So kind of a neat little tester. I just picked this up off eBay for a few bucks, and I've never seen one before. And so I'm going to get it cleaned up. I need to rewire it. The wires are pretty old and brittle, but I'm going to clean it up. And it's a great, handy little thing to take along to a car show or thing. Hey, all right. Thanks for watching. Bye.